Welcome to Tamara Research Writing Guides. I'm Elpies, your AI-supported instructor. In this video, I will show you how to write an autobiography essay with simple interactive steps. So subscribe now and then get ready for taking notes. An autobiography essay is simply writing about your personal experiences or a specific event, but not a story of your whole life. Although the writing process may take a lot of time, it's easy to overcome with a good preparation and planning. Let's first look at how to structure an autobiography essay. As almost any type of essay, you should follow the traditional introduction, body paragraphs, and the conclusion format. Now that we had a short intro, let's move into writing a great one by starting from the introduction paragraph. The introduction paragraph plays a crucial role in engaging your reader and keeping them interested. So, how do you write a compelling introduction? Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. Step 1. Grab the reader's attention with a hook sentence. A hook sentence is a captivating statement or question that immediately captures the reader's interest. Step 2. Inform the reader about the topic of your autobiography essay. Give them a brief overview of what they can expect to read about. Step 3. State your thesis statement. Your thesis statement is the central argument or main point of your essay. Clearly and concisely state what you aim to prove or discuss in your writing. Now let's have a look at an autobiography introduction example. An autobiography introduction consists of at least 4 parts, which are hook sentence, background, signposting, and the thesis statement. As you see on your left, introduction starts with a hook sentence which triggers the interest of the reader. It then follows with a sentence where you state background, especially about your life. After that, the signposting part states what aspects of your life you'll cover in the autobiography. And finally, you state your thesis statement that sets the main argument of your autobiography essay. Now let's continue with the body paragraphs, which is almost 2/3 of your whole autobiography. Now that we've covered the importance of a strong introduction, let's dive into the body of your autobiography. This is where you'll build your story, share your experiences, and provide supporting evidence for your thesis statement. First, dedicate each paragraph to a different specific event or aspect of your topic. Second, use simple and understandable language. Avoid unnecessary jargon or complex terminology that might confuse your audience. Lastly, maintain a logical structure throughout your essay. To achieve this, consider writing down all your memories and details chronologically. Remember, the body of your essay is where you have the opportunity to showcase your unique experiences and provide compelling evidence to support your thesis statement. Now let's have a look at body paragraph examples. Body part usually consists of at least 3 paragraphs. Each paragraph should be based on one aspect of your essay, starting with a topic sentence and ends with a closing sentence. Now you'll see short paragraph examples for an autobiography on your left. It starts with a topic sentence, which sets the topic of your paragraph. It then follows with a sentence where you state your progress and personal information related to what you introduce in the topic sentence. After that, you end the paragraph with a closing sentence where you state the outcome or lesson learned, depending on the context. So this is how a body paragraph would look like. Now let's continue with the conclusion, which will be the last paragraph of your autobiography. Just like the introduction, the conclusion plays a vital role in leaving a lasting impression on your reader and effectively summarizing your story. First and foremost, it's crucial to summarize your story and the main points discussed throughout your essay. This allows your reader to recall the key moments and insights you shared. Additionally, take this opportunity to reflect on the conclusions drawn from your experiences. What have you learned? How have your experiences shaped your perspective? Lastly, remember that a strong conclusion leaves a lasting impression. Consider ending your essay with a thought-provoking statement, a call to action, or a poignant question that encourages further reflection. Now let's have a look at an autobiography conclusion example. As you see on your left, the example starts with the summary and connection of your story told throughout the autobiography to remind the reader of what you've told. Then you keep connecting your stories and combine with lessons learned and your impressions from these events in your autobiography. And finally, you end your essay with a memorable concluding sentence that is likely to stay in the mind of readers. After all, the conclusion of your essay is a crucial part of your autobiography. By summarizing your story, discussing the conclusions from your experiences, and leaving a meaningful impression on your reader, you'll wrap up your essay on a powerful note. That's all for today. If you want to improve your essay and autobiography writing skills, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video from us. I'm Elpies from Tamara Research, and I'll see you in the next video.